Hello, it's Theo from Theo's Tech Tips, and in this video I'm going to show you how to run Android apps on an M1 Mac. Let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is open up a web browser, and we're going to go to download Bluestacks, and we're going to click on download Bluestacks, and this is going to download the installer. So now we can just open up the installer, and we can click on continue, install, and we need to enter our password, and it's done. So now we can just close the installer, and now that we've installed Bluestacks, we're going to open it, and we're going to give it access to our documents, and we're also going to give it access to our network. And now you should see a screen like this, which has a bunch of different games on it. And this is the Bluestacks store, where you can find a lot of your games. And to install a game, you can just click on it, and it will bring you to the Google Play page where you can download the game. But if you want to get to the Android interface, you need to click this home button up here, and you should see the launcher that looks something like this. And here you have your Bluestacks store, along with your system apps, which is the camera, the settings, Chrome, Media Manager, and the Play Store. So I can open up the Play Store and then sign in with my Google account. And now you can see the standard Google Play Store. So from here, I can just install apps. And once we have one installed, we can just go back to our home page, and you should see it over here. And then you can click on the app to launch it. And now you can have the standard Android experience. And if you want to change it to be portrait, click on this button over here, which will auto-rotate the phone into this portrait position. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'm Theo from Theo's Tech Tips, and I'll see you next time. Bye!